Hi friends! Has your battery suddenly stopped starting your car? No problem. In this video, I'll show you how to restore your battery and give it a new life. As we can see, the light bulb doesn't light up. Let's measure with a multimeter to see if it's producing any voltage at all. Strange, the battery is completely dead, even though I've only used it for 2 years. The plates are sulfated. Let's move on to the restoration. First, we'll open the top covers that seal the maintenance ports. Now, take a deep container and drain all the electrolyte content from the battery. Terribly dirty liquid. Sulfate is corroded well by Coca Cola, so let's pour it into the battery. Leave it like this for half an hour, and meanwhile, we'll prepare the next cleaning liquid. Cut a lemon and squeeze out all the juice. Now, let's add distilled water to our solution. Let's set our solution aside and drain the Coca Cola from the battery. After draining the cola, we'll pour our solution evenly into each battery cell. Shake the liquid as I'm showing you, and then we can drain it immediately. Again, let's pour pure distilled water for rinsing, evenly into each cell. Shake and drain. Finally, fill it with a mixture of distilled water and electrolyte in the proportion specified for your battery type or the required density of the solution. I filled it to the maximum. Any excess will boil off during charging. I'll take a microfiber cloth and clean the battery of dirt. This also affects its performance. Now it's necessary to charge the battery. I'll leave it for the whole night, although you can also charge it for 6 hours with the cells open and then close the technical holes and leave it for 12 hours of continuous charging. That would be even better. Do not leave the battery unattended for a long time or in a confined space. In the morning, I'm taking it off the charger and we can check the battery voltage. Incredible, 12.6 volts. So friends, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and be sure to share your thoughts on the video in the comments. See you soon.